Did you know almost everything in the body depends on proteins? The 2024 Medicine Prize is about the discovery of a tiny molecule, microRNA, that helps to determine which protein should be made in a cell and in what quantity. MicroRNA acts as a kind of brake and can regulate the productions of proteins inside the cell. The genes in our cells act as recipes for how different proteins should be manufactured. We humans are made up of 50 to 70 billion cells and all contain exactly the same genes or protein recipes. Which proteins and how much should be manufactured depends, among other things, on the type of cell it is. The discovery of microRNA has helped us understand how different types of cells in the body form, even though they all contain the same genes. We also know that cells and tissues do not develop normally without microRNA.